Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have the Good and the Beautiful's new curriculum to share with you. I'm so excited. I don't have all their new curriculum, but I have a few things and I was so excited to order them. This is like the third haul I've gotten from them this year, and the last one I said this is gonna be the last one, but hopefully this actually is the last one for the year. We'll see, but hopefully. My husband was like, I thought we were done with all these Good and the Beautiful boxes, but then they came out with new curriculum. So I'm gonna get this open and I'm gonna show you the new curriculum that I got. Okay, like I said, this isn't all their new curriculum, but this is just what kind of pertained to us and what we needed. And so I got two of their things. And one of them I wanted to show you right now. I got this box yesterday and was like, if I hurry and unbox it, I can get it up and show you guys before the sale is done. So the biology curriculum for high school, it's brand new. They haven't had any sort of science curriculum before for older than like 8th grade. And so they just came out with this and it's so exciting. We're not even using it this fall because I'm not ready for a high school biology curriculum. My oldest son is going into 8th grade and he's doing some chemistry stuff right now. And then we're gonna be living in Africa from October to April. And so he's trying to finish all the chemistry before we actually leave so that we don't have to take anything with us or worry about that, right? Because doing experiments there would be really hard. But I was excited to see this, and since it was on sale, I was like, I'm gonna grab it now because we'll probably use it next year, I think, but I wanted to at least show you what it was like. So the sale for the biology curriculum is good till July 1st. I think like July 1st at midnight or almost midnight. You probably wanna get it before then, just in case, but it's 20% off right now. And if you are familiar with the Good and the Beautiful, they don't do sales very often. And definitely not this big of a sale, but since it's like an introductory thing, it's a new curriculum, they're doing a sale and it's very, very exciting. So it comes all wrapped up like this. And I was gonna open it so you could see the different parts that are in it. And I like how it comes in separate workbooks, if I can get it open. And I do believe there's also like online videos that go with it. So with some of their other science curriculums, they have a few videos. They're not for every single lesson, but every once in a while there's little videos that go along with it. So I believe there are ones that go along with this as well. You know, I'll know more once I dive into it a little bit more and actually once we use it. But it has a workbook for all the different units. So there's 6 units right here. I just hit myself in the face. And so there's a workbook for each one. And then it looks like there's a high school biology tests and quizzes. And so since this is supposed to be like an independent curriculum, I imagine most things are either like they just read the book and do it, or it's on a video online. Again, I don't know enough about it because we haven't actually used it. But this is one of my favorite things about all their curriculum is that it has a list in the front of all the supplies that are needed so that you don't have to wonder. You can just look through at the beginning and be like, okay, do we have these things? Do I need to make a note to get this thing on this particular week or whatever? So this is kind of what it looks like. If you wanted to, I'll have to do like a sneak peek. I'll have to look through it better. Would you be interested in that? Look through it better and kind of get a better idea for it and how it all functions, and then maybe go through it that way. But I wanted to show you me just unboxing it. So this is their new high school biology curriculum, which I'm very, very excited about. And then the other thing that I got that I thought sounded cool is, I say that kind of hesitantly because I don't know if this is something I would have thought was cool in school, but I think it's important, and it's a music appreciation class. So this is new for grades 3 through 8. And I do enjoy music, and I did not take or do music stuff really throughout school. And I wish that I had a little bit more. And so I focus more on that with my kids, to be honest, because I just played a lot of sports. But I thought this looked really cool. So this is, I think these are all the workbooks. So I got 4 of these because I have 4 kids that are gonna be doing it. So I got 4 of these books. And again, I think there's an online component where you can watch videos for it, and then you go through the workbook and it goes through some different periods of time of music. And then it also comes with my electives badge book, which when I got these, this was coming with this book as like a free gift is what it was saying. I don't know if that's always gonna be the case because you can buy this separately. So I don't know if that is also, this is new curriculum, promotional type of a deal, or if you buy this book, if you automatically get one of the electives badge books for free. And so I think it has stickers or something that go in here. Again, I don't know, because this is my first impressions of this curriculum, but it has spots where you can put the stickers. And so we probably will incorporate this curriculum into our just normal school year. So I don't know how long it's gonna take. Again, I'll have to look through and see, but starting probably in August, we'll do it. So we might be done before we go to Africa, but I thought it'd just be a different component to add. I was excited to see it. I wanna try it out and see how it goes, and just, then I can give you feedback and you can decide if you wanna use it as well. So that's what I got. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of some of the new curriculum I got from The Good and the Beautiful. If you want to see more of a like in-depth review of the biology curriculum, let me know down in the comments and I can flip through it. Obviously we won't be using it this year, but I can at least go through and kind of understand it a little bit better to explain to you. I'm willing to do that. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments, and remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.